right, special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this solar camping light. There's the company name, camping light, the model AY-ST2303. Just the same photo there, warning label there. Let's open it up and see what we get. Oh, look at that, it comes in a little bag. Very nice. So, well, that's it for the box. And we have a nice little user's manual here telling you all about the device. It's 30 to 280 lumens with a 4800 milliamp hour battery. At 100% brightness, it says it'll last 10 hours, it'll last 35 hours at 50% brightness, and at 10% brightness, it will last 90 hours. Wow. And then inside of this nice little carrying case is a solar LED light. So, wow, okay. So this is an included USB to lightning cable so that you could plug that in on here to charge you an iPhone. And then this is also an included USB-C to Type-C cable, which is probably a 2-for-1 to charge an Android type device and to charge this device. So if you look on the bottom here, you can see there is 3 solar panels. You have a really nice little hook here. And then here is your on off button. Right on top and below it is your dimming switch. And other than that, nice light there. Lights all through here is your input and output for this device. So as you can see, oh wow, you can see it charging. There's a USB-C port, that's the input to charge it. So you can charge this with a USB-C cable. And then there's the output for plugging in another phone or something like that. So with this cable, you could plug it in here and then plug it into your computer or any USB-A power brick to charge it, and then use the same cable to plug in here to charge your phone. So we're gonna get this charged up, and at nighttime, show you what it looks like right here. And so here is our solar camping light. So you can see these 3 light up to give you light. They get recharged by the sun. Of course, if you had it like hanging above you, it would put off definitely good enough light for your campsite. And there is a few different colors. So you got this color and then also this brighter color. And then you have like a little flashlight, which that's actually really bright. Wow. Then that can also do an SOS mode and then off. So if you hold the top button, that dims it. That's as low as it goes. And then you can hold it to get it as bright as it goes. And so that'll essentially do it for this camping light. Thanks again to the company who sent it to me. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.